Morning students, welcome back. Now open your textbook, page number 88. So today we are going to learn about story problems. Okay. In our previous class, we have already learned how to add 5-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. Okay. Now we are going to study story problems. Okay. So exercise 2.3 addition story problems. Okay. Now this exercise should be written in classwork. Okay. You have given separate notebook. In that notebook you write questions. Below that you have to write the solution. I will send in WhatsApp group. Okay. Today you just learn how to write a statement and how to solve the problems. Okay. I will send the solution picture in WhatsApp. You copy that in your classwork. Okay students. Now open your page number 88. Okay. So before going to exercise, let us learn one example here. Okay. Vicky and Irish earned rupees 50,410 by designing learning packages for international schools and rupees 15,865 for launching website. Launching website means opening of website. Okay. Opening ceremony like that. Okay. For these schools in the year 2010, what was their total earnings? I have already told. Total means we have to add. Okay. So see here, amount earned by design learning package. So see here, earned rupees 50,000. Okay. So amount earned by design learning packages. This is known as statements. Okay. Statements means this is the amount for which purpose we have earned or spent amount. Okay. So reason of the amount. Okay. For that you have to write like this. It is known as statements. Okay. Design learning packages. It is the statement or it is the reason. Okay. For which he earned 50,410. So amount earned by design learning packages rupees 50,410. Amount earned for launching, earned by launching website. Okay. Launching means opening ceremony. Okay. Rupees 15,865. Okay. We have to add these two numbers. We get 66,275. These two are known as addends and this one is known as sum. Okay. This is the total earning. Last one, total earning. When we add these two addends, we get total earnings. Okay students. Last, their total earning for the year 2010 was 66,275. Okay students. Now I will show how to write a statement and solve the problems. Okay. See here, exercise 2.3, put today's date and write in classwork like this. Okay. Neatly you should write. Okay. Addition story problem. Exercise 2.3 addition story problems. You have to write the date and month also. Mention the date. Okay. A. Anita's monthly income is rupees 34,250 and Amar's monthly income is rupees 55,385. So here there are two persons. Okay. Anita and Amar. What is their total monthly income? Income means earning. Okay. So, first statement, Anita's income. How much Anita's income is? 34,250. You write like this, okay? One below the another number, okay? You put right statement here in front of that, put the arrow mark and write by leaving small space, okay? Write like this, okay? Next, Amar's income. How much is the Amar's income? 55,385. See, ones below ones, okay? Below one another, you have to write the number like this, okay? What is their total monthly income? Now, we have to add these two numbers. These two numbers are called addends and answer is known as sum, okay? If you add these two numbers, 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. Carry 1 here, write 3 here. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 5, 8. So, this is total income. You write short statements, okay? Total income of which persons? Anita's and Amar's, okay? Anita's income 34,250. Amar's income 55,385. Their total income. Total means both of the income. We have to find the both incomes. So, rupees 89,635. Okay. Next question. For their vacation, Amar and Reena spent rupees 5,500 for vacation. Okay. On food, rupees 20,690. On tickets, rupees 25,300. On other expenses, what was their total expenditure? Okay. Expenditure means amount given to some other person to whom we have to pay. Or for example, if you take one pencil, you give the amount to the shopkeeper, isn't it? So, whatever the amount you have given to shopkeeper, that is known as expenditure. Okay. Expenditure means amount should be given to some persons. Okay. Now see here. On food, how much they spend? On food, rupees 5,500. Okay. On tickets, 20,690. Okay. On other expenses, or you just write other expenses. I have already told you have to write one below the another. Okay. Else you should draw a place value chart. In that you can copy the number. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 5,500. Okay, it's 10,000. Next 20,690. You do by drawing place value chart, else you write neatly one below the another. Okay, students. Now I will explain once again. On food, how much they spend? Rupees 5,500. On tickets, 20,690. Other expenses is 25,300. What we have to find? We have to find the total expenditure. Total means we have to add. These three also known as addends. This is known as sum. Okay. On food 5,500. On tickets 20,690. Other expenses 25,300. I have written 0 here. Why? Because 5,500 is 4-digit number. 20,690 is a 5-digit number. So, I write 0 here. Okay, to avoid the confusion, I write the 0 here. Now, we have to add these three numbers. 0, 0 plus means that is equals to 0. 9 plus 0, 0. Okay. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Give carry 1 here or here. Okay. Both are correct. Carry 1, write the 14 here. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. 11. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. This is the total expenditure. Okay, students. Now, next question. Vivek sold 29,305 toffees on Monday and 49,856 toffees on Tuesday. Toffees means chocolates. Okay. How many toffees did he sell in all? In all means addition. Okay. Now see here. What should be written in statement? Like this. Sold on Monday. You just write short statements. Okay. Sold on Monday 29,305. Sold on Tuesday 49,856. Okay. They have given only 2 days numbers. So we have add only 2 here. Now in all means addition. Put the addition sign here. Do the addition. 5 plus 6, 11. Give the carry 1 here and write 1 here. 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 3, 11. Give carry 1 here and write 1 here. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So give carry 1 here. Write carry 1 and write 9 here. Okay. 4 plus 3, 7. These are the total toffees sold. Okay. Behind that you have to write total toffees sold. How much? 79,161. Okay. Now D1. Amin travelled 39,487 kilometer and Naz travelled 45,690 kilometer. How many kilometers did they travel in all? In all means we have to add. Okay. In this problem we have 2 persons and 2 addends. Okay. Amin travelled. How much he travelled? 39,487. Naz travelled. How much? 45,690 kilometers. So add these 2 numbers. Put the plus sign here. And now addition. 7 plus 0, that is equals to 7. 8 plus 9, 17. Carry 1, 7 here. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1, 1 here. 10 plus 5, 15. 1 carry here, 5 here. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. Behind that you have to write total kilometers. Okay. Below that you can write, therefore, they travel 85,177 kilometers in all. Okay. In all. They travelled 85,177 kilometers in all. Okay. Now come to next one. Next, during the Green Earth Drive, trees were planted along the highways. It includes 8,556 eucalyptus trees and 80,579 Casselarians trees. Okay. How many trees were planted in all? They have planted 2 types plants. Okay. These are the plants names. Okay. Eucalyptus trees 8,565. Next, Casuarina trees 80,579. Now see here. 8,565 is a 4-digit number. 80,000 is a 5-digit number. So you have to write 0 to avoid the confusion. Okay. Now 5 plus 9, 14. Carry 1, 4 here. 7 plus 7, 14. Right, carry 1 here, 4 here. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1, 1 here. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 0, 8. Okay. These are total trees planted in the highway. Okay. Total trees planted in the highway or on the highway. Okay. Next question. The population of a town in Maharashtra includes 39,840 men, 40,005 women and 18,738 children. Okay, they have given the category men, women and children. What is the total population? Total means addition, isn't it? So, first we have to write the statement. Number of men. How many men are there? 39,840. Number of women. 40,005. Number of children. How many children are there? 18,798. So write one below the another neatly. Okay. 5 plus 8, 13. Okay. Carry 1, 3 here. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. 7 plus 8, 15. Carry 1, 5 here. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 8, 18. Carry 1, 8 here. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So, 98,583 is the total population of Maharashtra. Okay, students? Now, you can write, therefore, total population of Maharashtra is 98,583. Okay, students. Now, next one. Vicky, Roshni and Naina shopped flats for rupees 8,435, rupees 15,670 and 38,900 respectively. Respectively means according to the ordinal numbers, we have to write the numbers. So first number is first amount is Vicky's amount. Second amount is Roshni's amount. Third amount should be Naina's. Okay. Now we have to write the statements. Spent by Vicky or amount spent by Vicky. Spent by Vicky rupees 8,435. Amount spent by Roshni 15,670. Amount spent by Naina 38,900. So see here 8,435 is a 4-digit number, 15,000 is a 5-digit number. To avoid the confusion, I wrote 0 here. Okay. Again I am telling you should be write the number one below the another. Okay. In one's place all the numbers should be comes under one's place. Tens column number should be under the tens column only. Hundreds columns number should be comes under 100 place only. Okay students. Now 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 3, 10. Give the carry 1 here and 0. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. So 2 carry here, 0 here. Okay. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. So give the carry 2 here and write 3 here. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. For every addition problem, you have to write the plus sign. Okay. These three are known as addends and this is sum or total. Okay, this should be known as sum. It is the total amount spent by all three members. Okay students. Now skill test. Skill test. What is the sum of the smallest 5-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number? Now smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. 3-digit means 999. Okay. Below that you can write 0. Okay. They have asked sum. Sum means we have to add. Okay. So put the plus sign. 10,000 plus 999, that is equals to 10,999. This is known as sum. Okay students. Now next one. Next, what is the sum of greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? 9,999. Smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number? 10,000. So write 0 because this is 4-digit number and this is 5-digit number. Now we have to add. Put the sign mark. 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, this is the total sum. Okay, hope you are all understood. You should write in class work. I will send the homework by WhatsApp in WhatsApp group. Copy in your classwork notebook. Okay students.